Okay, so I'm in the range right now. It's really cool in here. I'm with my nan, granddad, and my mum, and obviously Clover.
Right.
£15.99. Oh, what's this? Oh, crystals. It's 3 monkeys. That feels nice.
That's nice. Lovely.
Another 3 monkeys. That's so pretty. Gosh. Mom, look at this. It's really heavy. It's a doorstop.
A doorstop. Oh, okay.
I thought it was a teddy. I would have had that. Gosh, it's so cute. It's a doorstop though.
Huh? But it's too big.
It's massive. Guys, let's see if my name's on here. My name's never gonna be on here because I've got a rare-ish name. Another monkey. That'll match my room. £8.99 for this.
I just saw that one as well. That's the marble look.
Looks cool.
One will go in.
Look at that dog. It feels nice.
You walk in and on the back wall.
I like that. It's textured.
It's gonna go on that wall.
Sorry guys, I like textured things.
What do you reckon that?
Helicopter. It doesn't do anything. My phone just turned off for no reason. Might be my internet. Okay, they're getting some people. Where were we? There's my nan. This is the same breed as my dog. Cockapoo. It's a doorstop though. Let's go find my mum. I've got hiccups now, oh my gosh. £26. Oh my gosh, look at teddies. Teddies. That one's cool. I'm just gonna carry her around. Now let's go find my mum. More teddies. I get distracted so easily. Strawberry. Flower, it's really dirty. I thought that was Halloween, but it's just fun faces. And then, oh my gosh, that is so cool. Where'd my mum go? Where did she go? I'll find her. Oh, there's my granddad. Oh, where'd he go? Okay, I just heard my mum. Go find him. Okay, I just heard her. Can we go pet to home or see if there's any harnesses here?
We'll have a look here.
Let's do part 2, guys.